Atkins Diet, best low-carb diet to lose 2 pounds in 1 week. The Atkins Diet is a popular low-carb diet for weight loss. It helps you lose 1 to 2 pounds per week or 10 pounds in a month. Scientists have found that the Atkins Diet prompted about 0.1 to 2.9% more weight loss in a year in dieters than behavioral counseling. This diet was created in 1972 by Dr. Robert C. Atkins, a cardiologist. And it works on the simple principle of eliminating all kinds of sugar, such as refined sugar, bread, flour, and pasta, from the diet. It lays emphasis on eat right, not less. What is the Atkins Diet? The Atkins Diet, or Atkins 20, is a low-carb diet created by Dr. Robert C. Atkins for his patients. He eliminated all sources of simple carbs, sugars, and allowed his patients to consume a lot of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs, veggies and fruits. This helped the patients feel full and not hungry and famished like other restrictive diets that give more importance to counting calories than nutrition. This approach showed results immediately and became a trusted doctor-advised weight loss diet. But the question is, there are so many low-carb diets, what's so special about the Atkins Diet? To get the answer, you have to know how it works for your body. Find the answer in the next section. How does the Atkins Diet work? The Atkins Diet works by eliminating food sources of simple sugars or carbs and by allowing the consumption of nutritious foods. Lowering blood sugar and making your body more insulin sensitive. Increasing muscle mass, boosting the metabolism of the body. Lowering triglycerides in the blood. Improving good cholesterol levels. Lowering overall calorie intake, and Atkins Diet 4 phases. Well, this is where Atkins's diet is different and effective as compared to other low-calorie diets. It is divided into 4 phases: Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3, and Phase 4. Phase 1, Induction, high-protein and high-fat diet with 20 grams of carbs, leafy greens, per day for 2 weeks. Phase 2, Balancing, high-protein and high-fat with a moderate amount of nuts, fruits, and low-carb veggies. Phase 3, Fine-tuning, high-protein and high-fat with limited amounts of complex, good, carbs. Phase 4, Maintenance, high-protein and high-fat with as many complex carbs as you want. If this looks intimidating, fret not. I have created a 1-month Atkins diet plan to help you shed 10 pounds quickly. Atkins Diet Menu for Fat Loss. Phase 1, Induction. Week 1. Early morning, 7 a.m. 1 cup of water in which fenugreek seeds were soaked overnight. Breakfast, 7:45 a.m. 2 poached eggs plus 1/2 avocado plus 1 cup green tea or 2 eggs and mushroom omelette plus 1 cup bulletproof coffee. Mid-morning, 10:30 a.m. 1 cup ricotta cheese or 1 cup milk, soy milk. Lunch, 12:30 to 1 p.m. 3 ounces roasted chicken breast and kale salad or 3 ounces tuna salad, mushroom salad. Post-lunch, 3:30 p.m. 1 cup green tea. Dinner, 6:30 to 7 p.m. 2 ounces ground turkey or mushroom salad with collard greens and chard or 1 medium bowl egg salad. Week 2. Early morning, 7 a.m. 1 cup warm water with the juice of half a lime. Breakfast, 7:45 a.m. 1/2 cup baked beans plus 2 fried bacon strips plus 1 cup of green tea or tofu and egg omelette plus 1 cup of green tea. Mid-morning, 10:30 a.m. 1 cup soy milk or 1/2 avocado. Lunch, 12:30 to 1 p.m. 2 to 3 ounces poached chicken salad with light dressing, olive oil, lime juice, chili flakes, and organic honey, or 1 cup mixed lentil soup. Post-lunch, 3:30 p.m. 1 cup buttermilk. Dinner, 6:30 to 7 p.m. 1 medium bowl 2 ounces chicken or beef teriyaki with blanched broccoli, carrot, and bell peppers or 1 bowl blended mushroom soup. Phase 2, Balancing. Week 3. Early morning, 7 a.m. 1 cup of water in which fenugreek seeds were soaked overnight. Breakfast, 7:45 a.m. Blueberry, apple, banana, and flax seeds smoothie or 2 fried eggs plus 1/2 avocado plus 1 cup of green tea. Mid-morning, 10:30 a.m. 1 apple or 1/2 grapefruit. Lunch, 12:30 to 1 p.m. Blanched broccoli and sautéed mushroom salad with a few pecan nuts or 1 medium bowl roasted turkey Waldorf salad with light dressing, soy sauce, olive oil, lime juice, rosemary, and organic honey. Post-lunch, 3:30 p.m. 1 cucumber or 1 cup coconut water. Dinner, 6:30 to 7 p.m. 3 ounces grilled chicken breast with a cup of Chinese cabbage, bell peppers, tomato, and cucumber or 1 medium bowl tofu and quinoa salad with light dressing. Phase 3, fine-tuning. Week 4. Early morning, 7 a.m. 1 cup water with the juice of half a lime with honey or 1 cup water with 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar. Breakfast, 7:45 a.m. 2 boiled eggs plus 4 almonds plus 1 cup milk, soy milk. Mid-morning, 10:30 a.m. 1 cup freshly pressed vegetable or fruit juice. Lunch, 12:30 to 1 p.m. Mixed lentil soup with veggies and or small pieces of chicken or mushroom, kale, avocado, and pecan salad. Post-lunch, 3:30 p.m. 1 cup buttermilk. Dinner, 6:30 to 7 p.m. 3 ounces grilled fish with 1 cup blanched veggies or 1 cup chickpea and veggie stew. Phase 4, maintenance. Week 5 and thereafter. Early morning, 7 a.m. 1 cup water with the juice of half a lime with honey or 1 cup water with 1 teaspoon apple cider vinegar or 1 cup water in which fenugreek seeds were soaked overnight. Breakfast, 7:45 a.m. 1 cup green tea plus 2 eggs, fried or boiled or poached, plus 4 almonds or 1/2 avocado or berries, bananas, and nuts smoothie. Mid-morning, 10:30 a.m. 1 apple, 1 cup freshly pressed fruit juice or 1 cup ricotta cheese or 1 cup soy milk. Lunch, 12:30 to 1 p.m. 2 to 3 ounces grilled fish or chicken with low-carb veggies like leafy greens, broccoli, purple cabbage, Brussels sprouts, cauliflower, bell pepper, zucchini, and tomato or lettuce wrap with meat or mushroom or tofu. Post-lunch, 3:30 p.m. 1 cup coconut water plus 10 Brazil nuts or hazelnuts or 1 cup buttermilk or 1 cup green tea plus 15 in shell unsalted pistachios. Dinner, 6:30 to 7 p.m. 1 medium bowl lentil soup or mushroom soup or garbanzo bean or kidney bean chili or beef steak with veggies. Now, you may be concerned that the Atkins menu plan is not vegan friendly. Well, if you know a few substitutes, you can follow a vegan Atkins diet. Take a look at the following substitute list. Atkins Diet vegan substitutes: chicken, fish, turkey or any other meat, tofu, mushroom, lentils, beans, and cottage cheese. Milk, soy milk. Cottage cheese, tofu. So, you see, it's not that difficult to make the diet your own. Now, let me make your life simpler. Just see the following Atkins Diet food list and use it the next time you are at the supermarket. Atkins Diet food list. Phase 1. Proteins: eggs, fish, ground turkey, bacon, mushroom, tofu, lentils, cottage cheese, milk, soy milk, and buttermilk. Healthy fats: avocado and olive oil. Veggies: broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, kale, collard greens, chard, spinach, arugula, and radish greens. Beverages: milk, soy milk, bulletproof coffee, green tea, black tea, white tea, and herbal teas. Herbs and spices: cinnamon, fenugreek seeds, thyme, rosemary, oregano, cardamom, clove, garlic, ginger, chili flakes, basil, dill, sage, bay leaves, star anise, saffron, and fennel seeds. Phase 2. Proteins: eggs, fish, ground turkey, bacon, mushroom, tofu, lentils, beans, cottage cheese, milk, soy milk, and buttermilk. Healthy fats: avocado, ghee, olive oil, and rice bran oil. Veggies and fruits: kale, spinach, carrot, broccoli, cauliflower, arugula, chard, cabbage, beetroot, zucchini, tomato, cucumber, grapefruit, apple, muskmelon, berries, and banana. Nuts and seeds: almond, walnut, pistachios, hazelnuts, Brazil nuts, and flax seeds. Beverages: green tea, black tea, white tea, herbal teas, and coconut water. Herbs and spices: cinnamon, fenugreek seeds, thyme, rosemary, oregano, cardamom, clove, garlic, ginger, chili flakes, basil, dill, sage, bay leaves, star anise, saffron, and fennel seeds. Phase 3. Proteins: eggs, fish, ground turkey, bacon, mushroom, tofu, lentils, beans, cottage cheese, milk, soy milk, and buttermilk. Healthy fats: avocado, ghee, olive oil, rice bran oil, sunflower butter. Veggies and fruits: kale, spinach, carrot, broccoli, cauliflower, arugula, chard, cabbage, beetroot, zucchini, tomato, cucumber, grapefruit, apple, muskmelon, watermelon, berries, and banana. Nuts and seeds: almond, walnut, pistachios, hazelnuts, Brazil nuts, flax seeds, sunflower butter, pepita, pumpkin seeds, and melon seeds. Beverages: milk, soy milk, buttermilk, green tea, black tea, white tea, herbal teas, and coconut water. Herbs and spices: cinnamon, fenugreek seeds, thyme, rosemary, oregano, cardamom, clove, garlic, ginger, chili flakes, basil, dill, sage, bay leaves, star anise, saffron, and fennel seeds. Phase 4. Proteins: eggs, fish, ground turkey, bacon, mushroom, tofu, lentils, sprouts, beans, cottage cheese, milk, soy milk, and buttermilk. Healthy fats: avocado, ghee, olive oil, rice bran oil, sunflower butter. Veggies and fruits: kale, spinach, carrot, broccoli, cauliflower, arugula, chard, cabbage, beetroot, zucchini, bell peppers, scallions, pumpkin, bottle gourd, bitter gourd, okra, eggplant, Brussels sprouts, tomato, cucumber, grapefruit, apple, muskmelon, watermelon, berries, and banana. Nuts and seeds: almond, walnut, pistachios, hazelnuts, pecan nuts, pine nuts, macadamia, Brazil nuts, flax seeds, sunflower butter, pepita, pumpkin seeds, and melon seeds. Beverages: green tea, black tea, white tea, herbal teas, milk, soy milk, buttermilk, bulletproof coffee, and coconut water. Herbs and spices: cinnamon, fenugreek seeds, thyme, rosemary, oregano, cardamom, clove, garlic, ginger, chili flakes, basil, dill, sage, bay leaves, star anise, saffron, and fennel seeds. This chart will make your grocery shopping easy for each phase. But which foods should you avoid? Find out next. Foods to avoid. Veggies. Avoid high GI, glycemic index, veggies like pumpkin, red bell pepper, potato, beetroot, and sweet potato during phases I and II. Fruits. Avoid high GI, glycemic index, fruits like grapes, pineapple, mango, jackfruit, watermelon, peach, and banana during phases I and II. Proteins. Avoid consuming chickpeas, sprouts, and kidney beans during phases I and II. Fats and oils. Avoid consuming nut butter, margarine, and canola oil during phases I and II. Nuts and seeds. Avoid cashew nuts, pumpkin seeds, melon seeds, and sunflower seeds during phase 1. Conclusion. The Atkins Diet or Atkins 20 is a great and balanced low-carb diet that has worked for many. And if you decide to go on this diet, you will see great results. Just be careful with your current medical condition and consult your doctor if you should follow this diet. And if you get a thumbs up, follow the diet plan, work out regularly, and get fit and fabulous. Take care. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and are there any videos, in particular, you would like to see? Please let us know by commenting below.